This is going to be a video product review of the BNX H95B mask. And I've got it here. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of this according to my experience. Let me tell you up front before I continue with the video, the company did contact me. They saw some of my mask videos, I guess, and they contacted me and asked if I would be willing to do an online review, and I said sure, and they never wrote back. What they didn't know is that I had already purchased the mask along with about 190 other masks that I was going to use for my personal use. So I've got the mask over here, and I'm going to tell you what I think of the mask. Pricing is good. I can't really talk about the N95 rating and where it's at. I'm sure it is a legit rating. We've got the company name on there, which is what you're supposed to have. We got N95 and NIOSH, whatever that is that you're supposed to have, and we've got, I believe that's the lot number. So they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. I bought this in a package of 10. Now, I don't know if they sell these on Amazon. So if they do, I'll leave an affiliate link. If they don't, check out my channel. I've got affiliate links for other stuff for Amazon. You want to donate to my channel, there's a donation link. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, click the notification, or do none of that. That's up to you. Okay, so what do I think of the mask? Good and bad. I love the black. A black mask on a woman is just a statement of beauty. When I see a woman wearing a black mask, it looks so good on them. Now, I'm not a woman, so I don't know if it looks as good on me as it does on a female, but I just think it's very attractive. The black mask is just a nice mask. We all have the white masks. I think the black mask is very pretty. So, aside from that, breathability. Breathability means, at least to me, are you able to get air through the mask into your lungs without stressing out, without having a hard time? And I've got some masks that are very easy to get air in and masks that are extremely hard to get air into my lungs. It just feels like I'm struggling. Breathability on this thing, very, 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 very easy. So that's a good thing. The straps feel fine. The color, again, I like. So now we're going to get into the not-so-great stuff. And I don't know if it really is the mask or if it is me. Okay, so when I put on this mask, everything is really good. I'm able to breathe. I have no problem breathing. The fit is good. The only problem is that this area, we got the little metal strap inside here. You can see it's sewn in. Now, this is really thin. So I bought this mainly for my mom because I thought this would be good. She has a problem trying to get air into her lungs, and I thought the breathability on this would hopefully help, and it does. Now, the problem with me, when I wear any mask, not any mask, when I wear most masks, this area over here just doesn't seal around my face properly. I wear glasses. So, when I've got my glasses on and I'm outside wearing this mask, and again, this is with other masks beside this, but when I wear this mask, especially this mask, and it's cold outside and I breathe, my glasses fog up. I cannot get this area to seal against my face. I know doctors, nurses in the proper setting would use tape and tape it against the face. I just get a massive amount of steam coming up from this mask over my glasses. Now, that maybe is a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because, you know the masks where you've got the little vent over there, so it makes it easier to breathe, not a lot of pressure when you exhale? Okay, so obviously the air is coming out of here. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know, because if the air is coming out of here, maybe is the air coming in here? And that is my complaint with this mask. All other not only the N95s, but the KN95, when I put those masks on, the way to tell if it's a good mask, or the way to tell if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, is when you breathe in, this mask should kind of suck in against your face. That's how you can spot a really good mask. It goes in against your face, which means that you've got a complete seal around the face, and you're really just getting the oxygen in this area over here. At least that's my understanding. With this mask, when I wear it, the mask doesn't go in. It doesn't suck against the face. It doesn't bite against the face at all. When I look in the mirror, I don't see it, and when I breathe in, I don't see it or feel it. So air is coming in on this mask somewhere. Now, it's a beautiful fit around the cheeks and the neck, unless you're overweight. If you're overweight, if you've got some excess on the chin, you might have a problem getting this to fit properly. But air is coming in somewhere, and I'm assuming that it's coming in from here because the mask, as I said, never bites against the face. It doesn't go in and out like it should. So I'm assuming it's here because when I breathe out, air definitely shoots out of here, which I'm okay breathing out. I know it's not safe. You're supposed to have a mask that's going to seal so you don't spread germs. But for me, it makes it much easier to exhale. But inhaling, air is coming in from somewhere. And I know this has got great breathability, but it should still bite against the face. It should still go inward against the face, and it doesn't. So this is my review of the BNX black mask. I think it's really nice looking. Maybe it's my face, maybe the shape of my face. I just can't get a good seal, but my face is like everybody else's face. And yes, some masks work for people, other masks don't. It is a beautiful looking mask. It feels good on the face. It's not irritating. Very easy to breathe in. It's just extremely easy. My only concern is this area over here where I know I'm fogging up the glasses. When I wear this indoors, I'm okay. If I wear this outside and it's cold, I can't see. My glasses totally fog up, and there's moisture on the inside of the lens. And again, the mask is not going against the face like it should when I breathe in, which concerns me a little bit. That is my review of the BNX mask made out of Houston, Texas, made in USA. Folding N95. There's the lot number, manufactured, so they're putting on all the info that they're supposed to. I'm surprised that this says use in 1 year because masks, yeah, I'll leave that alone. Let's go look at the instructions over here. Are these instructions? What is this? Respirator, protection. I don't know what the difference is between the N95B, maybe that's white and black. Conditions, limitations, user instructions, please read. Dispose of, okay, I haven't really seen this in any other mask where they give some really nice instructions. Position the respirator over your face, put the headbands over your head. I know how to do that. Use both hands, press down on the metal nose piece to form a tight fit, which I do. Test the seal by cupping both hands over the protective respirator. Then begin to inhale and exhale sharply. If air leaks around the respirator's edges, adjust the straps and reposition the nose piece until a proper seal is formed. That is my problem. I can't get a proper seal. Cup both hands. If you notice any leakage, adjust. I've pulled on the ear bands to see if it helped, or the headbands. Did not help. It's against the face. There is no doubt. This mask is pressed against my face, so it's got a beautiful fit. It is just that air is coming in and out of this thing, and I don't like it. So depending on the shape of your face, this mask might be an incredibly good mask for you. For me, I wear this outside when I'm walking the dog. I wear this when I'm not around a lot of people, so it's a protective mask for me to protect me from others. But when it's foggy out there or when it's cold out there, the moisture, it's just not going to work. Glasses are fogged up. And if that's not an issue for you, then I would recommend the BNX N95, what is that, H95B N95 NIOSH, whatever that is. Black mask. Good luck, stay safe, stay well, and thanks for watching.